0. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am playing Terraria. Oh, I lost connection. Sorry guys. So, there we go. So, here I am in Shay's world. He's here. He got a flying carpet. I gave it to him. I got it on my offline profile. I got it there. So anyway. On my offline profile. This is my online profile. But anyway, so will I go over there with you? Or?
No, I will be cool. I'm trying to break this. Not break it. Alright.
Alright.
Me and Jake are making a YouTube channel. Hey. Jake, come on.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm gonna walk with you. Except for, is that a scorpion?
What?
And when I need to catch up with you. That's so fun. Come on.
I can't. I got stuck in a hole. You do know you're faster than me in that thing.
Yeah, I know.
We were also playing around with this world offline.
What?
Off camera. We were playing around with this world off camera last time. Sorry, guys. It's on charge. This won't work. Okay.
Oh, God.
He's used to saying really more good.
Rory, did you bring me on these sweets back?
They gave me a tiny potty bag, so I didn't bring them.
Jake,
Yeah?
where are you?
I am back at that tree thing.
What?
The tree.
When you say the tree thing, I don't know what it means.
It's just a tree.
No! I'm gonna try and catch up to you now.
Shadow didn't bounce.
Did I not?
Nope.
Shadow fell.
Mallard duck.
Oh, God. Ah! Jake! There's a vulture after me! And I'm practically... Ah! If only I had my sword with me. Oh, you stupid vulture. You stupid vulture. Jake, are you behind me?
What? Yeah. I died. Yeah, I died.
Oh.
Sorry.
What the hell? Oh. And I died. I'll catch you up.
What a throw. Okay.
I think I already found. And yet.
If you get right underneath them, they can't shoot you.
Got them. Yeah, I know.
You were murdered by an eater of souls. What did
I
I?
would.
Yeah.
No. Chest.
Yeah, no, we already emptied that.
Have I?
Yeah.
No, there's stuff in it.
Oh yeah, I left that stuff for you.
What's that, living loom? What's a living loom?
I am not sure.
Jake, wait.
I'm trying to get out, but I can't. There we go. You have your carpet, so you'll catch up very fast.
Maybe.
Let's go into a cave in the jungle.
What?
Let's go into a cave in the jungle.
I'm trying to catch up to you.
Nope, I just fell down here.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you're in trouble with. Not gonna help, is it? Hey, team up. Get your arrow.
I don't have any arrows. I don't have any arrows. I don't have one.
I killed it for you.
Thank you. There's a lot of red now. And guys, off camera on my wall, I got a ruthless blowpipe. Inventory's full. Yes, landed in water. I went down into a cave.
Is it the cave I'm going into?
It's in the jungle. Where it ends. So.
Yeah, I'm in the wrong cave.
No, I'll go to that cave that you're in.
Do you know where I am?
Nope.
Oh, crystal heart.
Something happened to the TV.
Can you help me find the remote crate?
Oh yeah, guys. In the last episode, we got a load of stuff. We got all of these cursed stuffing. I still don't know what that does. We got all of this.
Is this place okay?
No.
So yeah. In the next episode, I'm showing my offline profile. Ooh, a vulture.
You having
What?
this now?
It looks a lot like a vulture. What is it then? A vulture banner. Cool.
Hey, Jim. All you see is me next thing coming up behind you. Somehow you're ignoring him. I want to go where I need to go. Jake, I'm just like following you. Oh God, vulture!
Jake, is your tablet charged?
Nope.
What's it on?
I don't know. 2%.
Really?
Yeah. Whenever.
Put it on there and see.
I can't check.
Why?
Because it doesn't let me. I don't have the
You're
option.
nicer.
Oh.
Okay.
I helped you too, Jake.
Yeah. You made it.
with my bow and arrow.
You made
All
the.
I find helpful is my bow and arrow. Literally.
Your boomerang.
My boomerang.
Yeah. What?
You died.
But I landed in the water.
What happened?
I-
Jake Doyle didn't bounce. You didn't bounce.
I landed in the water.
What does that mean?
I landed in
There's
the
a
water,
vulture
so it shouldn't have
after
killed me. No, I'm in a pit. I'm in a pit. No, it won't let me use it.
On the other player's screen while you were playing?
What? Garrett, no. Stay away from him.
Stay away from him.
Garrett, our guide. They're running away now. No, don't kill him. You're killing him. You're gonna die. You're killing Garrett. Stay away.
Jake, I'm going across the ocean. Jake Doyle's face was torn off by a zombie.
Again?
Who died there?
Me.
Jake, I'm gonna die underwater soon. Not wait!
You're staying in there.
Jake, I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna wait for you, okay?
Okay. Check him. I can't. Check this what was in there.
Oh my, jeez.
I don't.
Jake, a
I
big
can't
centipede.
I don't have it on my tablet.
Jake, a massive centipede just jumped out of nowhere.
Oh God.
Oh God, there he is again.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
So am I.
Okay.
Jake,
We
meet
both
you
died.
there, okay?
Yeah.
Meet you in heaven.
Okay, guys. I think that I'm gonna end the video here.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Massive centipede is coming out of nowhere.
Because
and I
we
do
have
not
died
like
a
it.
lot of times. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love recording it. Okay, bye.
I'm not moving.
Bye.